Want to burn fat faster with less effort? Let me show you how intermittent fasting can transform your body in record time. In today's video, I'm going to share 8 intermittent fasting tricks that will have your body burning fat faster than ever before. Stick around to the end, because I've got a special tricks that could be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's dive in. Number 1. Start slow with fasting. When you first dive into intermittent fasting, it can be a shock to your system. If you've been used to eating multiple meals a day, jumping straight into a 16-hour fasting window might feel like running a marathon without warming up. That's why the first trick is to ease into it slowly. Start by reducing your eating window gradually. For example, try 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating. Once your body gets used to that, extend the fasting window by an hour or 2. This gradual transition allows your body to adapt, so you won't experience extreme hunger or irritability. Plus, starting slow helps you avoid the feeling of deprivation and burnout that often comes with jumping into a strict fasting routine right away. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that it becomes easier the more you practice it. As your body adapts, you'll start noticing your energy levels spike, your cravings will subside, and the fat will start melting off. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't rush the process. Number 2, drink plenty of water. This might sound like a no-brainer, but when you're fasting, staying hydrated becomes even more important. Not only will drinking water help stave off hunger, but it also aids your body in breaking down fat and flushing out toxins. The more hydrated you are, the better your body will function, and the faster you'll see results. The trick here is to drink water throughout the day, not just during your eating window. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, about 2 liters of water daily. Some people swear by drinking water with a pinch of sea salt or lemon to replenish electrolytes and add flavor, making it easier to sip on throughout the day. If plain water isn't your thing, herbal teas or black coffee are also good options during the fasting window. Just be sure they're calorie-free, as anything with sugar or milk will break your fast and undo all of your hard work. Number 3. Time your meals right. One of the secrets to maximizing your fat-burning potential while intermittent fasting is choosing the right times to eat. The timing of your meals plays a crucial role in how effectively your body burns fat. Research shows that eating larger meals earlier in the day, during the first half of your eating window, helps you burn more fat throughout the day, rather than storing it. By timing your meals earlier, you allow your body to digest and process the food while you're still active, using the energy to fuel your workout or get things done. This means your body won't be left to process a large meal while you're lying on the couch or sleeping. This trick doesn't mean you can't have dinner, but it's better to keep it light and earlier rather than eating a heavy meal late at night. Your metabolism is slower in the evening, and eating heavy meals late can mess with your sleep and disrupt your natural fat-burning process. Keep your dinner to something light but nutritious, such as a salad with lean protein or a veggie-packed stir-fry. Number 4. Use caffeine to your advantage. Many people don't realize that caffeine can be a powerful ally in your intermittent fasting journey. When consumed in moderation, caffeine boosts metabolism and increases fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down fat for energy. Caffeine also stimulates the central nervous system, helping you feel more awake and energized, especially if you're working out during your fasting window. The best way to use caffeine during fasting is by drinking black coffee or green tea, both of which are low-calorie and won't break your fast. Avoid sugary lattes or flavored coffee drinks, as these can derail your progress by introducing unnecessary calories. Drinking caffeine during the morning or early afternoon can also help you avoid the mid-afternoon slump and keep you feeling sharp during your fasting period. However, be careful not to overdo it. Too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, or disrupted sleep, especially if consumed later in the day. Aim for no more than 2 cups of coffee or tea per day to stay within a healthy range of caffeine intake and avoid any negative side effects. Number 5. Break your fast with protein. When it's time to break your fast, the way you do it matters. If you break your fast with high-carb or sugary foods, your body will spike insulin levels, which can slow down the fat-burning process. Instead, focus on breaking your fast with protein to kickstart muscle repair and set your body up for fat burning. Eating a protein-rich meal when you break your fast helps increase your metabolism and promotes fat loss by encouraging muscle growth. Protein also helps keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to maintain your eating window without feeling the need to snack. Some great sources of protein include lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish like salmon and tuna, eggs, and plant-based sources like tofu, lentils, and quinoa. Incorporating protein into your post-fast meal ensures that your body isn't just burning fat for energy, but also preserving muscle mass. This is especially important if you're combining intermittent fasting with exercise, as you'll want to maintain muscle while shedding fat. So, next time you break your fast, opt for a meal rich in protein to fuel your body for the rest of the day. Number 6. Add more fiber to your diet. Fiber is one of the most underrated fat-burning tools in your diet. When you're practicing intermittent fasting, making sure you're getting enough fiber can have a profound impact on your fat-burning success. Fiber-rich foods help you feel full longer, which is a crucial part of sticking to your fasting windows without giving in to hunger. Not only does fiber keep you satisfied, but it also helps regulate your blood sugar levels, which can prevent those pesky energy crashes that can lead to cravings. This is especially important if you're fasting and trying to avoid temptation. Fiber helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, making it easier for your body to stay in fat-burning mode. Good sources of fiber include vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale, as well as fruits like apples, berries, and pears. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and barley are also packed with fiber. By filling up on these fiber-rich foods during your eating window, you'll stay full longer and avoid hunger-induced snacking during your fasting periods. Number 7. Avoid snacking between meals. One of the hardest things about intermittent fasting is breaking the habit of snacking between meals. We've all been guilty of grabbing a bag of chips or a granola bar just to hold us over. But snacking, even healthy snacks, disrupts the fasting process and prevents your body from entering fat-burning mode. When you fast, your body has the chance to tap into its fat reserves for energy. But if you're constantly snacking, you're never truly giving your body that time to burn fat. This is where discipline comes in. Try to stick to your eating windows and resist the urge to snack between meals. If you find yourself struggling with cravings, try drinking herbal teas or having a small glass of water with lemon. Both can help curb hunger and provide you with a refreshing distraction without breaking your fast. Number 8. Combine intermittent fasting with exercise. Intermittent fasting isn't just about when you eat. It's about how you work with your body's natural rhythms. Combine fasting with exercise, and you'll turbocharge your fat-burning efforts. The key is to work out during your fasting window, ideally before you eat. Exercising on an empty stomach may sound intimidating, but studies have shown that working out in a fasted state can help you burn fat more efficiently. When you don't have food in your system, your body taps into its fat stores for energy, which leads to increased fat burning. The best types of exercise to pair with intermittent fasting are low to moderate intensity activities like walking, yoga, or strength training. If you're into more intense activities, it's fine to have a small pre-workout snack, but try to keep it minimal. Keep in mind that everyone's body is different, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool to help you burn fat, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. By incorporating these tricks, you'll set yourself up for success in your fat-burning journey. Remember, the key is consistency. Stick to the plan, and you'll see the results you're after. Subscribe now for more easy, healthy tips.